Hello guys, my name is Tabani. I'm well known as Panache Zondi in the artist industry. I'm a dancer and actor, a businessman. I am well known in this industry as an entrepreneur. I am very much in love with dance. Acting is not really my thing that much, but I can do it. I really love doing business, and the business side of arts is where I play. That's my field. I am very much interested in my hobbies are just the arts, basically. I don't like anything else. I like arts, I like dancing, I like expressing myself. I like being around people. I'm a bubbly person. I like being happy. Usually when I'm with people, I take my phone, I turn it off and I put it in my pocket and I just socialize. That's my best me. Well, I started dancing when I was in high school. I was doing dramatic arts as a subject, not as a stream, because I was in the humanities stream. It's called general. Some people know it as general. I had the subject dramatic arts, so I started dancing there, acting, but I was more into dance, just performing dance. So after that, I went to college, to this school called Mzansi Arts Development Ensemble, MADE. Yeah, so I started dancing there. I was happy, I was fine, but I saw that I was surrounded by big fish. So these people were dancing like incredibly. They were so much better than me. I started not feeling like I was a dancer myself, so I was like, maybe I'm gonna take a break. I took that break and I started getting into business, and that's where I started finding that I'm actually good at business. So a few months went by, a year went by, fast forward 2024, 2025, I started dancing again. I was very much interested in dancing. People saw that I was actually good and I enjoyed it very much. I went into multiple shoots, shooting dance, and I was like very happy. So that's when I actually realized that I can do this as a career. Oh, my biggest struggles were just looking at other dancers, seeing them that they were doing things that I couldn't do, which I absolutely don't like failing. So, but I also don't like doing something that I don't like. If I'm dancing and I have to stick to a certain schedule or do something, I can't do that on my own. I need someone to like actually input the discipline in me. So seeing other dancers was like my biggest struggle. Seeing that they were actually better than me, I couldn't do anything to like grow myself. So that was my biggest struggle. I overcame that by just learning that I have to express myself through dance. Not that I'm doing it as a career, not that I'm doing it to show off, but I inputted it in my head that I'm doing this to express myself. So yeah, that's how I overcame that. Well, my role model will have to be this American dancer. He's in LA. His name is Braylon Browner. Ah man, that guy can dance. He's actually I look up to him, and yeah, that's one artist that I'm just like, I like that artist so much. He's so good at dancing. I wish I could be like him. I just don't have the discipline. So that's him, and I just see that it's a very hard thing to understand, to actually learn to express yourself. That's the turning point for me. I see dance as an expression at this moment. For a long time, I actually saw dance as just as a career, as an artist thing that I didn't want to involve myself in. But when I understood that I can actually express myself through dance, and seeing people's reactions on what I can do and what I am doing, that made life to me. It's wonderful. I love that. Well, Y.I.B.A agency is... When did I find them? Oh, I was working with this group called Durban Royal, and we actually collaborated with Y.I.B.A agency. So that's the first time I actually grew to understand what Y.I.B.A agency is, and I was signed under Y.I.B.A agency because I saw that they had so much energy, like it was so much life with them. It was basically like a big family, and I wanted that. I saw that me and these people make sense. So I was like, no, I'm definitely going in. That's what made me choose them. Well, my motivation is, I understand the experience, like the people's reactions to the way that I dance. I understand that, which is something that I love as well. But just knowing that I can find space to actually be myself and know that I can actually do what I want to do, what I'm feeling, I can actually show it in dance. That is the best thing for me. That's where I find a home or a safe space. That's me. Oh, I really like the idea of people getting to know themselves as artists, you know? So the fact that new people are coming in, young upcoming artists are coming into the industry, I would love for them to understand that the industry is not a bad place. I know it's painted as such, especially here in Durban. It doesn't look appealing to other people. So I like the idea that we can change that ourselves. So I can uplift those upcoming artists by just giving them the idea that they have to change things. They are writing their own story. No one else is. So if you're coming in to this industry that you don't know, but you are understanding it as you go about it, understand that you can rewrite the story. You're writing your own article, no one else is. Well, my biggest experience that I've had was being exploited. So understanding that you need to understand your values as an artist. Understand how much, if you respect your own craft first, then no one else can step on your shoes. No one else can actually tell you what you can or cannot do. You are the only person that can write the story. So the biggest lesson that I've learned is that in this industry you have to be strong, you have to be the person that you want to be, or just don't be here at all, because it's a very hard industry to be in if you don't understand lots of things about it. What's my worst dance fail? Okay, I was in high school. And one of my classmates asked me to be the dance partner on this thing, and I had choreographed a dance piece with them, but it took a long time for us to perform it, so I had forgotten the steps, and man, it was terrible. I actually felt like sabotage on their side, because that moment, I can never forget that. She actually left the stage crying. because I messed up the steps. So that was my worst moment ever. Well, you can find me in Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook as Panache Zondi. Yeah, just that. It's Panache Zondi. Everywhere. Peace.